Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Deshmukh. Today I am going to explain Role-Based Access Control, also known as RBAC. This is an important concept in network security used to control access in systems. Let us start with the introduction of RBAC. Role-Based Access Control is a method used to restrict system access based on roles assigned to users. In traditional systems, permissions are assigned directly to each user. But in RBAC, permissions are assigned to roles, and users are assigned those roles. This makes the system more organized and secure. RBAC is widely used in modern systems to manage access efficiently. Now let us understand the components of RBAC. RBAC consists of three main components: user, role, and permission. A user is a person who uses the system, such as a student, teacher, or employee. A role represents a job or responsibility in the system. For example, roles can be student, teacher, admin, or manager. Permissions are the actions that a user is allowed to perform. These actions include read, write, edit, or delete. Users are assigned roles, and roles are linked with permissions. This structure makes access control simple and easy to manage. Next, let us look at the technical explanation of RBAC in network security. Authentication and authorization are two very important concepts. Authentication means verifying the identity of a user. For example, when you log into a system using a username and password, the system checks who you are. Authorization means deciding what actions you are allowed to perform after login. RBAC works in the authorization phase. It checks the role of the user and decides what permissions are allowed. RBAC also follows the principle of least privilege. This means that users are given only the minimum access required to perform their tasks. This helps in reducing security risks and protecting sensitive data. Now let us see why RBAC is important in network security. RBAC is important because it helps protect sensitive information in a system. It ensures that only authorized users can access specific data. It prevents unauthorized access and reduces security threats. RBAC also simplifies system management. Instead of managing permissions for each user, roles are managed. This reduces human errors and makes the system easier to control. It also improves overall system efficiency and security. Now let us understand the working of RBAC step by step. Now let us understand how RBAC works step by step. First, the user logs into the system using login credentials. Then the system authenticates the user and verifies identity. After successful authentication, a role is assigned to the user. Each role has predefined permissions. Based on the assigned role, permissions are applied. Finally, the system checks whether the requested action is allowed. If allowed, access is granted. If not allowed, access is denied. This process ensures secure and controlled access. To understand this better, let us take a real-life example. Let us take a real-life example of a school system. In a school, there are different roles such as student, teacher, and admin. A student can only view marks and basic information. If a student tries to edit marks, access is denied. A teacher can add, update, or edit marks. So when a teacher performs the same action, access is granted. An admin has full control over the system. The admin can manage users, roles, and permissions. This clearly shows how RBAC works in real life. Different roles have different levels of access. Now let us look at some applications of RBAC. RBAC is widely used in many real-world systems. It is used in banking systems to control access to financial data. It is used in hospital management systems to protect patient records. It is used in company dashboards to manage employee access. It is also used in cloud platforms and enterprise systems. RBAC helps in managing large systems efficiently and securely. Now let us discuss the advantages of RBAC. RBAC provides many advantages. It improves system security by restricting access. It simplifies access management by using roles. It reduces human errors in permission assignment. It saves time and increases efficiency. It also makes systems more scalable and easy to maintain. Finally, let us conclude the topic. In conclusion, role-based access control is an effective method for managing access in systems. It ensures that the right user gets the right access at the right time. RBAC improves security, simplifies management, and reduces errors. It is widely used in modern systems for secure access control. This video uses AI-generated voice for explanation purposes. Created using 11 labs. Visuals and slides were designed using Canva, and video editing was done using CapCut. Thank you.